The question is, in the circuit shown, the power supplied by the voltage source is, the circuit is as shown and the options are, first option 0 watts, second option 5 watts, third option 10 watts, fourth option 100 watts. Now we will see the solution to this question. The circuit shown above can be redrawn as shown. Now in this circuit, let us assume that this node has a 0 volts. Hence from the figure we can easily say that this node has a voltage of 10 volts. Now let us assume that the voltage at this node to be V. So applying KCL at this node, we can easily see that V minus 10 by 2 plus 1, which is the leaving current in this branch, and V minus 0 by 2 equals to 0. We got this circuit as an equivalent circuit of it by adding the two series resistors here, each of 1 ohms and 1 ohms, to get it as 2 ohms. The same applies in this branch also. Now we got this equation by applying the KCL, which we can simplify it as V minus 10 plus 2 plus V whole by 2 equal to 0. This is nothing but 2V minus 8 equal to 0. So the voltage at that node is V equal to 4 volts. So this voltage is nothing but 4 volts. Now we will calculate the current in this branch, which is the difference between the voltages at this node and at this node by this resistor value. That is 10 minus 4 by resistor value, which is 2, is nothing but 6 by 2, which comes as 3 amps. So the current along this direction is 3 amps. Now we will calculate the current in this branch. We can simply see that the current in this branch is nothing but the sum of the currents of 1 amps and 2 amps coming in these branches. So it is 3 amps. So the whole current of 3 amps which is coming in this branch goes as 3 amps in this branch. So the current that flows through this direction is nothing but 0 amps. So the power supplied by the voltage source is nothing but P equal to V into I. Since this current is 0, we can say that the power supplied by the voltage source is 0 watts. So the required answer is 0 watts. And the option which matches is A.